Happy birthday, Lian! More birthday to come and stay healthy and stay pretty. Always naman yan. And sana ipagpatuloy mo pa rin yung goal mo sa buhay. Nandito lang kami to support you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Marlinda. 18 years old ka na. And I hope you have a happy birthday. And thank you for being a friend for me nung grade 8 pa tayo. And sad to say na maghihiwalay tayo ngayon. Pero masaya ako na naging friend kita through grade 8 hanggang grade 10. And happy birthday ulit. Thank you!
Happy birthday, Merlinda. May this special day bring you joy, surrounded by family and friends. Love you and miss you, girl. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy 18th birthday, Merlinda. I'm so thankful to have you as my friend. Thank you for all the love and care na natanggap ko from you. Lalo na ng mga days na alam mo naman, syempre, wala akong baon and don't have enough money nung nasa QC pa ako. You're always there for me, or you always share your foods na nag-share ka palagi, alam mo yun, kahit biscuits, kahit candy, lagi mo akong binibigyan. And sobrang na-appreciate ko yun. Sobra. Hindi ko man to nasabi sa'yo in personal, or hindi in person, or hindi ko man nasabi sa'yo na moving up, or in message, but sobrang na-appreciate ko yun. Sobrang mamimiss ko yung sabay nating pag-uwi, yung hanggang Pantrangkos, dun ka sasakay, pa-uwi. Sobrang mamimiss ko lahat ng kwentuhan natin, lalo na pag nagkukwentuhan tayo about senior high school, about college, about, ayun naman yun, in the future. Sobrang mamimiss ko yun. Hindi kita makakalimutan kasi ka-birthday mo si mama. And syempre, alam mo yun, talagang tumata ka na sa aking mind and heart. Yes, mind and heart. And hindi kita makakalimutan kasi syempre special ka na tao sa akin and sobrang thankful talaga ako na nakilala kita. Ayun lang, and enjoy your day. Happy 18th birthday. Oh my gosh, 18 ka na. Happy 18th birthday, Melinda. I love you.